Dal chicken is the perfect balance between getting a healthy dose of fiber-filled, nutritious lentils as well as tasty delicacy. This recipe is essentially a rich and delicious curry made with lentil and chicken. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, into a pan, take 2 tablespoons of white oil. Once the oil is perfectly hot, add 1 bay leaf, 1 dry red chili, 3 cardamoms, 6 of cloves, 1 piece cinnamon sticks and 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Now saute them little. For this recipe, please use a heavy bottom pan. Now add 3 medium-sized chopped onion. Now fry the onions well. When the onions are translucent, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. It will give a nice vibrant color to this dish. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them well until the raw smells are gone from ginger and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix the masala well with the onions. If you need, you can definitely add very little bit of water at this time. Now add 500 gram of chicken. This is with skinned chicken. Skinned chicken will add more taste to this dish. This is essential thing for this recipe. You can also use the country chicken in this recipe. Dal chicken is the less commonly known brother of more popular dal gosht, which is cooked with red meat. Now fry the chicken with the masala for 8 minutes. Now add 200 ml of water. Mix the water. Add salt to taste. Give a very good mix. Cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and you can see oil is oozing out. Give a nice stir. I am just checking the tenderness of chicken. Okay, so the chicken almost done. Now add pre-boiled cooked chana dal. I don't cook the dal entirely. Mix the dal with the chicken. If you want, you can use other types of lentils. Cover the pan for 6 minutes to cook. After 6 minutes, open the lid. Give a stir. Lentils are well cooked and chickens are done. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix well. You can adjust the consistency of the gravy by your choice. Now add half teaspoon kasuri methi powder and handful of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Give a final stir. This dish has a whole lot of flavor captured in just one pot. The addition spices has created complex flavors in this dish. And dal chicken is ready. Serve this dal chicken with any kind of breads and parathas. Your family will definitely enjoy the dinner. That's it for today's video. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button to subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.